Do you know many people are having trouble with printing envelopes on their printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Flatten envelopes. Place the envelopes on a flat surface to flatten any curls or creases. This ensures smooth feeding through the printer. Step 2. Load envelopes. Open the rear tray cover and pull up the paper support. Load the envelopes, print side facing up, in portrait orientation. Step 3. Adjust guides. Adjust the right paper guide to fit snugly against the sides of the envelopes, avoiding excessive pressure that could hinder feeding. Step 4. Select media. On your computer, open the printer driver setup and select envelope as the media type from the quick setup tab. Step 5. Start printing. Choose the appropriate envelope size and set the print orientation as landscape. Select the print quality and start printing. By following these steps, you should be able to print envelopes seamlessly with your Canon MAXIFY GX6021. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.